So I got some AirPods Pro 2, and the only way to tell the difference between the 2 and the 1 is that the case has some speakers on the bottom and a lanyard loop on the side. But that's really the only way to tell the difference visually. The earbuds have some different sensor locations, but they kind of look identical to the last pair. The case is identical in size, so your case can fit on the new pair if you have an old case for your first pair, but I do love the new AirPods Pro 2. The first pair of AirPods did not have MagSafe, so they couldn't stick on a magnet there. And then also my lightning port broke within a year, so it no longer charges on a lightning connector. Very sad. I wonder if they designed it like that, honestly. The new pair of AirPods still has a lightning connector. We'll see if that breaks within a year. Hopefully not. But it has MagSafe, so it can stick there magnetically. Yay! And then it also can stick on here. And it makes a sound when you put it on a lightning port or charge it wirelessly. Let's talk about some of the alleged differences between the 1 and 2 AirPods. They claim to have twice as good transparency mode and also better noise cancellation. I've seen some rumors that the AirPods Pro 1 have gotten worse over time, and I thought, oh, maybe they're purposely making them worse so that they can sell you a new pair of AirPods and say, oh, they're twice as better as the last pair. Well, if they push software updates and make the old ones worse and make the new ones better, I know people are measuring these things, but it'll be interesting to see what they find over time. I'm kind of thinking that they push software updates, make them worse, and then the new ones come out and they can say, oh yeah, these are 2 times better. But is anyone buying AirPods Pro and not updating them at all just to see if the first version of AirPods are the same as the new ones? I don't know. Just thinking out loud here. Let me know your thoughts. I've gotten 3 pairs of AirPod Pros. The AirPods Pros 1, the AirPods Pro 1 with MagSafe charging case, and the AirPods Pro 2. I've spent way too much money on AirPods Pros, but I do love them and I would recommend them to anyone. I think the transparency mode is unmatched in terms of noise accuracy and replicating the outside noise. It truly is unmatched to me. It sounds very natural. I can keep these earbuds in my ear and it sounds normal all day long. I bought the new Bose QC Buds 2 to compare them against the AirPods Pro 2, and I think the Bose sound a bit better, but the transparency mode is not anywhere as good. I will say that the Bose app is better and has more customization options, which is nice. But the Bose do not charge wirelessly, and the AirPods Pro 2 do, even though the AirPods Pro have a smaller case. I found that interesting, that there's no wireless charging on the Bose. Coming up, I'm going to do some in-app demos showing you what the settings look like for AirPods Pro within the iPhone. I'll be switching over to the AirPods Pro microphone as well. They did add touch controls on the stem, which is nice. Here's the settings of the AirPods within the iPhone. You can change a number of things, such as what touching the stem does. You can also set up spatial audio, which I think is a total gimmick. I think it ruins how songs sound. It's when you move your head, things track differently, so instruments will sound differently in different positions, but I think it sounds terrible. And it ruins songs. I don't know why Apple is pushing this. I just turn it off completely. That's one thing about the AirPods that's just like, why even bother with that? You can also do ear tip tests, which will tell you how well the earbuds fit in your ear. And then these also will show in Find My, so you can find these very easily with the iPhone. I would not recommend these earbuds for the Android at all. Bluetooth with AirPods Pro and Android, in my experience, has been really, really bad. You can also see the serial number and version number of your earbuds and change a number of other things, such as noise cancellation or transparency mode. You can also set up widgets to show the battery percentages of each earbud and the case, which is really nice. And you can also change the noise cancellation control really quickly within the iPhone, which is superb. I really like this feature. It's set up well within the iPhone, and it's kind of unmatched with other earbuds because Apple just doesn't allow this level of features. Time for a small unboxing. In the case, here's the manuals. There's no Apple sticker. They're getting really cheap. No Apple sticker in there. But there is a different tips that you can put on your earbuds. Small, medium, large, extra small. Those are pretty nice actually. It has a little screen which prevents earwax from going down into the driver. And then they also give you a USB-C to lightning cord, but no energy brick, or power brick, I should say. Thanks for joining my review of the AirPods Pro 2. Please consider subscribing to my channel, ChonkyAudio. I'll be doing quite a bit more audio reviews coming up here in the future, and I've really been enjoying creating and making this whole process. It's been kind of fun. Thanks, y'all.